Welcome to Kubesafe, backup and disaster recovery solution for Kubernetes. Kubesafe is highly user-friendly software and can be installed in 4 steps. Step 1, download Kubesafe and install. Go to download.kubesafe.io and download Kubesafe. Extract the downloaded file. Also, please open the Kubesafe deployment guide for reference for easy follow-up. Please prepare your system for Kubesafe installation. It involves 2 steps, creating an S3 bucket to store metadata and providing necessary permission to install Kubesafe. Now open a terminal to access your Kubernetes cluster. Go to Helm directory and give installation command by giving it a release name. Get the service IP address to connect to UI. This is my service IP address for Kubesafe UI, please note it down. Step 2, Kubesafe user registration. Go to the sign up page, kubesafe.io, sign up. Or by clicking on this link, register as a new user to create a Kubesafe account. Step 3, connecting to Kubesafe UI. Copy the UI service IP address and then paste the external IP link in place of lb_i.p. Sign into your account, you are connected to Kubesafe. Step 4, configuring Kubesafe. First time you log in, you will be prompted for uploading Kubesafe configuration file. You can use the example file in the Kubesafe downloaded directory, under storage config samples to get started. Please add your UI IP address, access key and ID for AWS or credentials for your storage backend as appropriate. Upload this file into Kubesafe UI. You are all set. You can start protecting your namespace and applications. We are here to help. Please reach out to support@kubesafe.com or chat with us on our website for any question or help.